Hi, in this video, we will look at a few exam-style questions linked with circles. Do check out my other videos on circles as well. If you find this video helpful, please support me by clicking the subscribe button. Feel free to comment below with any questions or any other topics so that I can make more videos you will benefit from. Let's get started. Recap first. Basics of circles. Radius is half of the diameter and diameter is twice the radius. To work out the area of the circle, you need to use pi r squared. To work out the circumference of the circle, you need pi d or 2 pi r because d is the diameter, which is double the radius, which is why we have 2r. Question 1. A circular field has a diameter of 32 meters. A farmer wants to build a fence around the edge of the field. Each meter of fence will cost £15.95. Work out the total cost of the fence. For this question, to build a fence around the edge of the field, we will need to know what is the circumference of the circle. So circumference equals pi d. The diameter of the field was 32 meters, so pi times 32 give us 32 pi meters. So this is our circumference in terms of pi. To work out the cost, we need to use 32 pi times £15.95, so that's each meter. We have 32 pi meters. Put in the calculator, we have a big number, 1,603.46889. Because this is a cost, we need to keep 2 decimal places. So the final answer is 1,603.47. Question 2. The diagram shows 3/4 of a circle with a radius of 12 meters. Find the perimeter of the shape. For this question, in order to work out the perimeter of the shape, we need to work out all around the edges, which includes 3/4 of the circumference of the circle and also these 2 lines here. To work out the circumference, we need to know the diameter. Because the radius is 12, therefore diameter is 2 times 12 equals 24 meters. Circumference of the whole circle equals pi d, which is pi times 24 equals 24 pi. This is only 3/4 of a circle, so the circumference of 3/4 of the circle is 24 pi times 3/4. So times by 3 divided by 4. Put in the calculator, we have 18 pi. So this will give you all the curved region. Don't forget we have 2 lines here. So we need to add 12 meters twice as well. So to find the total perimeter of the shape, we have 18 pi plus 12 plus 12. Put in the calculator, keep 2 decimal places, we have 80.55 meters. Question 3. An area is formed by a square, ABCD, and a semicircle on the right hand side. BD is the diameter of the semicircle. The radius of the semicircle is 4 meters. The area is going to be covered completely with lawn seed. A box of lawn seed covers 25 meters squared. How many boxes of long seed will be needed? BD is the diameter of the semicircle. The radius of the semicircle is 4 meters. Therefore, the diameter of the semicircle is 8 meters. 2 times 4 equals 8, so BD is 8. Don't forget, the area ABCD is actually a square. Because it's a square, all 4 sides will be 8 meters. The area is going to be covered completely with long seed. So now we need to work out the total area. First, circles. Area of semicircle is pi r squared divided by 2. Radius was 4, so we have a pi times 4 squared divided by 2 equals 16 pi divided by 2 equals 8 pi. Keep 1 decimal place, we have 25.1 meters squared. Then on the left hand side, we have the square. Area of a square is straightforward, 8 times 8 equals 64 meters squared. Therefore, the total area is 25.1 plus 64 equals 89.1 meters squared. A box of long seed covers 25 meters squared. Therefore, in order to cover the 89.1 meters squared, we will need 4 boxes of long seed. 3 boxes will cover 75 meters squared, which is not enough. Therefore, we need to get 4 boxes. This is our question 3. Question 4. A semicircle has an area of 50 meters squared. Find the perimeter of the semicircle. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. In order to find the perimeter of the semicircle, we will need to know the diameter and also the circumference of the semicircle. Both of these require the radius. The question didn't give us the radius, but it's given us the area of the semicircle, so we can work backwards. Area of the semicircle is pi r squared divided by 2. Therefore, we have pi r squared over 2 equals 50. Therefore, pi r squared equals 50 times 2. Pi r squared equals 100. Then r squared equals 100 divided by pi. To work out r, we need to square root 100 over pi. Put in the calculator, we have 5.642. Keep 3 decimal places. From the radius, we can work out our diameter. 2 times r equals 11.284. Next, we can work out the circumference of the whole circle using pi d. Give us 35.45. Circumference of the semicircle equals 35.45 divided by 2 equals 17.725. Finally, the perimeter of the semicircle is 17.725 plus 11.284, which was our diameter, equals 29.009. I kept 1 decimal place for the final answer, which is 29.0 meters. Question 5. A circle is enclosed by a square as shown. Each side of the square measures 8 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. So the shaded region are all around the 4 corners. So you can see you have the square outside, circle in the middle. So the shaded area is the difference between the 2 If the side of the square measures 8, the side of the square is equivalent to the diameter of the circle within. Therefore, we can work out the radius of the circle as 8 divided by 2, which is 4 meters. Next, we can work out the area of the circle using pi r squared equals pi times 4 squared equals 16 pi centimeters squared. Then to work out the area of the square, straightforward, 8 times 8 equals 64 centimeters squared. Then to work out the difference between the two, we use subtraction. For the shaded area, we have 64 minus 16 pi equals 13.7 centimeters squared with 1 decimal place. Okay, this video ends here. We have completed 5 exam-style questions linked to circles. Don't forget to check out my other videos related to circles. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment with questions or topics that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Thank you again. Bye for now.